And hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to customize the Send To menu in Windows 10. So I'm not gonna make it any longer because it's a really easy tutorial. So go to search and type run, or how you can do that is Windows R button. So shall send to, and here you can have fun with this, and you can, when you right click send to, here you see I can delete this team viewer, and you see, but you can add things like I'm gonna add Steam for example here, and when you go right click on something it will show Steam also. So yeah, so that is basically how to do that, and you can have fun with that, and that is it guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.